Ner malakan yam kana talin kontin lenka roasni kan Nuer online TV channel dara ner mala de ner lon ko li roandi in kalin gwasame take right me goro no bana nywa kel ke jen gwasame ran mishala de African Union Commission nerin kontin go kamal re wich ka South Sudan nika gwase da ne South Sudan ke te kor take bontungwan ka kumni tin tarar which ka South Sudan te churian mat ko de malder ben re which ka South Sudan Africa Union Commission bon kel michur alaka ko dara malder jeno kan kono re lar kan me bana kwena mi jiram jidit kan Nuer online TV channel gore jeno jinder subscribe ke der jen waka nasan ko ken ko de lar ti de kan chama chup ka ji gwas dan am pai ka bridge an ler bana linga ler mi chalat ke kui ko dong koran re ka South Sudan der ro kap chung ko do brana chalat ke je mi jiram jidit ku subscribe ko ku notification bell ku je twan ban ler me ban je chu link ka do brana chalat ke je kuäär Africa Union Commission Ramadan Kaf Africa Union Commission chairperson Mahmoud Ali Yusuf te ko ran chalat gwasame ajanan bawore which kajuba ano ajane banat tibe malbi unong tibe nat bekam nat bekana walat re wi kajuba ajane bakari aleka betikana ite bari aleka ajane be deni baka jakhi bana baka jakne tibe malbi ure aleka ka kor gwase da ne shelinga no cha Dr. Riek Machar cha je yena kiir mayardit ajane no mo ajane sheling ajane na mo tuoga ka dobra na shelinga je no tuoga ka gwase da ne chikorja tuogre we kanasir kam jejen bor kana kum SSPDF mishwagu je no na mo yiär mal ka me cha tan karon kin dangre dual badak ala revitalized agreement e cha tan kam kiir mayardit kana Dr. Riek Machar ko kiir mayardit chala no kan en jejen bor ala wayami ikanik ne Dr. Riek Machar ka shala no shikane Dr. Riek Machar en jejen bor letken ke widien ka do bran jikane jiga jen wo dongde ko din ganga je ko nakake kuma kiir mayardit eno chu Dr. Riek Machar chu je larken wo en wayami she chunka kel cha jogo no kane ko ka jano chi kiir mayardit chiken chunkel kane wayami dumu chunga kel dong chukure dan dong ge de la tuok ko dong de churom ne kuma spele mayo kene kuma kiir mayardit ano men chaje bi gujene en kiir mayard go no do mi mo berum ke spele mayo ka je ko kene tenen wo Dr. Riek Machar jaram dan tike dine men mi yan ka je more wich ka juban wona me yan ka je ko jen wa imede ka spele ke de ke ne de kontila jejen bor ke wayame shude me je kula lat ala Africa Union Commission chairperson Mahmoud Ali ajane banat baka jakki point ba wore wiki juba ko ba mal ba jew jata wano ko do barana chalat ke je la raje me re wich ka disa baba ke jelat ke ka Monday Mr. Yusuf ci loyle je jadlo ngomana lero re wich ka South Sudan ano ci lidial ci let ci ke pel ci mal ci de re wiki South Sudan ano ko do barana chalat ke je ajane banat baka jakki ba wore wika juba ko do branda mal mode jata wana ko ja ko dara kam Dr. Riek Machar kene kiir mayardit dara jalat ko de mal dara ben charo mo chajo ko pin ano Africa Union ci ko re ya lekan wo dong de mal dara ben duno niam dien cha kana wo shimal chebe ko kene gane konde lat kamal tiji gaten de tin panken many international community la kiir mayardit la mi jaga mal da baje pele no alo charge blame nga chingi mi jegla charge blame ni mi chitwo ko ne naga gari tie ni ka class bomb do week na so teram chi condemn na mo but chagwinje no ko shikor cha twok no ko dobran cha twok ji chagwinje no na me shimo gwa gor jeno South Sudan che de lo re kor nyok la gwandur ga charge nyu dwere kiir mayardit teram ko na dwere ka dobran cha la ga ngai ke je panjaram lan yer mal duno dwal na ka je ko lad je dwere dong shio te Dr. Riek Machar te wiki juba antama dong telema de la long no but ko en Dr. Macharam da nan ka juba ka kenti ti ji gad ji Africa Union ken dia la ti te ri aleka ano be malu bere wi ka South Sudan jen e kenti ja ko bo won winimi no ko kenti ri aleka no de mal der reten so ba je kwen ye gwat me ka to English ka do brande rande lingaja. The African Union Commission AUC say it is sending a high-level mediation team to South Sudan amid escalating tension between President Kiir Mayardit and First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar, raising fear of a collapse of the country's fragile peace deal. African Union Commission Chairperson Mahmoud Ali Youssef announced the deployment of AU panel of the wise to Juba following direct talk with President Kiir. The move comes renewed violence in Nasser and broader political instability after the hour's arrest of Machar threatened to unravel the 2018 revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan. In a statement from Addis Ababa on Monday, Mr. Youssef expressed solidarity with the government and people of South Sudan, reaffirming the African Union's unwavering commitment to dialogue, reconciliation, and lasting peace. The panel of the WISE, a conflict prevention body made up of senior African elders and state people, will engage with key stakeholders to de-escalate tension and promote dialogue, the statement said. Mr. Youssef warned that the current crisis risks undermining years of regional peace effort, urging all parties to comply with the revitalized agreement. The African Union called on all parties to uphold all the provisions of revitalized agreement and ensure its full implementation, the communique emphasized. The African Union intervention followed a surge in violence, including a recent attack in Nasser by the Y Army, allegedly linked to Mr. Machar, which is light, which overran an army base. The Y Army were found not having any connection with Dr. Machar but act on their own. Regional and international bodies include the Governmental Authority on Development (IGAD), the East African Community (EAC), and the United Nations have also called for urgent de-escalation. The African Union said it remained actively engaged with regional and international partners to support South Sudan's transition to durable peace and democracy. This marked one of the first major conflict interventions under Mr. Youssef's leadership, highlighting South Sudan crisis as a key priority for the African Union. The move may also signal the African Union bid to reassert its role in African peace diplomacy after recent third-party mediation effort in other conflicts on the continent.